Want to build a low-cost portfolio with some of the best ETFs in the industry? If you're not taking advantage of commission-free ETFs, you're leaving money on the table. Today, we're buying Schwab ETFs with zero commissions. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Schwab offers all their own ETFs commission-free, along with many others. These are excellent building blocks for any portfolio. Step 1. Find Schwab's ETF marketplace. In your Schwab account, go to Trade, and then ETFs and Stocks. Look for Schwab ETFs, or commission-free ETFs, to see the full list of no-fee options. Step 2. Place your trade. When you select a Schwab ETF like SCHB, US Broad Market, or SCHF, International Equity, you'll see the commission displayed as $0 before you submit your order. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. Stick with Schwab's core ETFs for a complete portfolio. You can build a globally diversified portfolio using just a few Schwab ETFs. SCHB for US stocks, SCHF for international, SCHE for emerging markets, and SCHZ for bonds. This covers the entire world with extremely low expense ratios. So, just like that, you're investing efficiently with no trading costs. Commission-free ETF investing goes a long way in keeping more of your returns. Now I'm curious, what's your favorite Schwab ETF? SCHB, SCHD, or another one? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.